When something happens in your neighborhood, local police might go door to door asking you and your neighbors for information. This can put people on the spot, assuming they're even home when the officers come by, and it takes valuable time that can be spent elsewhere. With the video request feature, we've created an easier way you can help. It's secure, private, and it's totally up to you.
Secure and private? How's that work?
It's simple. Notifications are sent to Ring device owners in the area whose cameras may have recorded anything that could help. If you want to share any videos you've recorded, you can. If you don't want to, you don't have to.
Wait, that's it?
That's it. Police aren't even told how many people got the notification, who they are, or where they live.
Okay, but can they get access to all my Ring videos or look in on my cameras?
Nope. If you choose to share, all they get is a copy of the video recording you shared and your contact info in case they need to follow up.
And that's enough to help?
That's an affirmative, ma'am.
Yes, that means yes.
Any information helps, but getting involved is entirely up to you.
Oh, okay. So if I want, I can just ignore the request?
Yep. You can even opt out of any future requests right in the control center in your Ring app. Your decision stays private and none of your information is shared.
More private? I'm in. When the community works together,
we could create a safer neighborhood.
And that's the video request feature in a nutshell. Working together, we can all help to make our neighborhood safer.